Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another quick tip for entertainers. This episode is about a different channel. That's right, Learn to Entertain. It is a channel just for entertainers or people who want to learn to entertain. The topic on the channel now is how to be funny. We have big stars in the family entertainment business. We've got Leon McBride. We've got Ken Scott, Barry Mitchell, Dorian LaChance, Lee Andrews, Gary Shelton, Dwayne Reynolds, Glenn Strange, Jay Johnson, Jim Austin, and Christopher T. Magician, just to name a few. These are people who have interviewed with me. Some are posted already. Some are in the hopper waiting to be posted. I have been busy lately doing this channel, so we're going to get back into bringing back more of the Learn to Entertain as well. So if you like the Learn to Entertain channel, please subscribe to the channel. It's a separate channel. And please post comments if you like the videos that you like or on there. If you are going to do all of this, then I can go out and do more videos. By the way, all these videos were taken last year in August at the Cadabra conference. This is the Cadabra International. It's a family and children entertainer conference that is held once a year in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And we also have a secondary one in not less than, but equal to, called CAX, and that is in January in California. So those are the two different things you can partake of with the Cadabra conference or conferences. But the main thing is go to cadabra.org and you'll get all the information on that. And it's a great organization. So if you are a family entertainer or are looking to become a family entertainer, that's the organization for you. Again, this is the DIY Magician, and I wanted to tell you about the Learn to Entertain channel on YouTube, which is a separate channel. So it right now has the How to Be Funny. So again, this is the DIY Magician. For those of you who have been with us before, thank you very much for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe for updates, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.